Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here already, my name is Mariah. This is my channel, not his channel. And yeah, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. It's a brand new channel. I can't focus with you. It's a brand new channel. I just started it. I just launched. I'm thinking of products and ads. I just uploaded my first video a couple days ago. You can go check that out if you haven't already. It's a little bit more about me and my 3 businesses and what I do. So I know in my previous video I mentioned the video that I was going to put next. However, it did change. I want to go ahead and give a debrief about my recent client that I closed. I want to start jumping in more to social media marketing because that's what's new to me and I'm still learning it as well. However, most of you are interested in social media marketing based on the comments down below, the comments that I receive on Instagram, my DMs, Facebook, things like that. Social media marketing seems to be the #1 thing that, you know, the majority of you guys are interested in. So I'm going to tailor this channel mainly to social media marketing right now and see how that goes. And of course, I'm still going to provide videos on dropshipping and Amazon FBA. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop those comments down below so that way I could answer them in a separate video. Okay guys, so if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know the most recent client that I closed. It's a e-com brand for $4,000 per month. And that is my monthly retainer service fee. We also are getting 10% of ad spend, and the reason being is because anything over, you know, 10K monthly in ad spend, we like to take 10% of the ad spend because it's just so much work. And this brand is already a huge brand. Last month alone, I believe they did 50K in ad spend. Yeah, 50. I want to say between 50 and 70K in ad spend alone just last month. And of course it's Q4. That was Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all of those big holidays. But I mean, they're killing it. They're doing really good. The owner is actually doing all the work himself. He's tired of doing the ads, so he wants someone else to take it on, and he wants someone else you know, just as good as him or better. So we are coming in and we're going to completely scale his business, you know, looking to get him, you know, well over the 50K mark, close to the 100K mark in ad spend alone every single month. So super excited to start scaling with him. So they're already a well-developed brand. I mean, they have a huge following on Instagram, Facebook. So I mean, all the, you know, all the stepping stones are in place, and now they're just completely ready to start scaling, and that's where we come in. Okay, so a little bit more about this client. We actually found them on UPWORK. They, you know, proposed a job looking for Facebook ad expert, looking to scale their business. They already, you know, had 66,000 happy customers, blah, blah, blah. So we knew that they were the right client for us because they're already well developed. They have the money, they have the, you know, resources. They're just ready to start scaling. That's the type of e-com businesses that we look for because, you know, we can handle that type of ad spend.
First time.
What?
Picking it up with the big thing. It's this hand.
It's not bad.
No, I did good, but I had to double bag it.
Good job, babies! I picked it up.
I almost threw up though.
Pick up down
I almost threw up because I like got it and I accidentally whiffed it. But woo, good job, baby. Good girl.
Okay, now the meeting. The meeting went very, very well. You know, we were very organized with our meetings. We have actual screenshots of our Facebook ads from our own account that we spend, you know, over hundreds of thousands of dollars in a month or 3 months, you know, whatever the time frame is. We show the month, we show the ad spend, we show the conversion rate, we show, you know, the ROAS, we show everything on our screen, share the screen with them. So it's like, you know, actual time, it's recent results, it's not from a year ago, it's right now. Then he was like, okay, sign me up. Sent him the invoice, sent him the contract, signed it, paid it, got him set up on Slack, and I mean, it was just a breeze the way we got everything in place and set up right away. It was like literally during the Zoom call. That's how, you know, efficient it was. I mean, we took them off of UPWORK, we sent them our own contract, sent our own invoice, got the client from there. He paid from through Stripe. So simple invoices connected through Stripe. Got the payment instantly. There was no Upwork fee. However, Stripe does take a processing fee, which, you know, everyone is going to. It's 2.9%, and you know, we offered 2 different options of payment. He could have paid in full that day for a 10% discount, or he could pay month to month with no discount. We set them up for 3 months minimum. Okay guys, sorry about that. My camera actually died when I was outside, so I'm just going to go ahead and put my actual screenshots of my notifications receiving the payment right here and share it with you guys. So as you guys know, the 4,000 payment is for marketing, which is the Facebook ads. And the 800, he actually the next day said that he needed help with management as well. So the 800 is every single month for management, and management basically means that we will post on the Instagram and Facebook. We're going to post twice a day on their accounts. We're going to engage with their following, respond to comments, DMs. So yeah, so these are the 2 notifications that we, you know, for the payments: 4,000 for marketing, 800 for management. And again, that is monthly. And then on top of the 4,000, there will be a 10% ad spend that we will be receiving as well. So I just wanted to cover that with you guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. I will respond to you guys or address it in my next video. If you haven't already, make sure that you are subscribed and turn on my bell notifications, so that way every time I post a video, you guys will be the first to know about it and get to watch it. Also, you can do that on Instagram as well, because I'm very active on my Instagram stories. Go ahead and turn on my story notifications, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.